What's up, guys? I want to go ahead and share something that's been happening to our business lately. I've been having to put a pause on making some new content for you guys because I've been pretty occupied dealing with some serious hate, and it's getting a little bit out of control now. I got to be completely honest with you guys. I really don't know what to do at this point. I'm out of options, and I thought I'd reach out to you guys, my community, my customers, for some possible help. So what exactly is going on with the business, guys? We've recently been attacked online, specifically on Google reviews, and this has happened for about a month now. It started about a month ago when we first got our negative feedback reviews. Keep in mind, up to this point, we've had nothing but 5-star reviews. We understand how important customer service is and how important your orders are, so we stand by every single one of our orders and we make sure that it is done right and done the proper way. So we understand how important it is, and so when we started getting these negative feedbacks, we've looked through them thoroughly to make sure that they were not legitimate customers. We replied to every single customer to make sure that there's any issues, we're going to take care of it. Now, this happened, these 4 negative feedbacks that started happening were a chain of negative feedbacks. We were reluctant that they were actually in the Thai language, so Google was able to remove these after we complained. But after that, shortly, these reviews started to pile on. They started to happen every day, every other day, -1, 2 feedbacks. Every single one we looked into, this person just created the account just to slam us. They've gotten better. They started to use VPN services, so they started to create US-made Google accounts, and we've gotten to a point where Google doesn't easily remove these feedbacks, so we're just stuck with these negative feedback, and I just have no other option but to ask our customer. If anybody has ever dealt with this issue before, let us know what we need to do in order to fix this. And if we've helped you with any DTF orders in the past, if you guys can stand with us, help us with a Google review. I'll put a link below. That would definitely help our business. I just don't know why this is happening to us, and I don't wish this upon anybody. It's the worst feeling to do, to wake up from bed once you sleep and to see 4 or 5 negative feedbacks all happening at once. There's no way that we can combat this except to stand together. And if you guys can help us with some reviews, that will help at least level the playing field, if not more. That's what I'm hoping. So I definitely need your help, guys. I've never want to ask for reviews, but now is the time to help us out and to help stand with us on this side. Now, again, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of these reviews and why and how they've been happening. Again, if you scroll back at any of the feedbacks that we've had in the past, they've all been 4 or 5-star reviews. We've done our best possible to treat every customer right. Now, when you start to get to 2 weeks ago, because some of the reviews were taken off, some reviews weren't, you start to see them happening. These customers all only have 1 single review on their account, so they're literally making these accounts to bash our company. They start to talk about the same thing, which is going to be peeling after a wash, problems with color, the same thing basically. And then they started to target our Transfer Superstars name, so you start to see them using our name. They charged extra, which we don't, because we always invoice and we're never able to adjust the invoices afterwards, so that's false. Thank you, Markel. We did help you with an order last week. I appreciate that feedback. They're another one talking about Transfer Superstars, 1 wash cycles, started peeling off already. Again, same thing, peeling off after 1 single wash, peeling immediately, colors were off. They're just doing the same thing. They're getting hired to do this. Now they're getting smarter. They're actually using screenshots from other people's orders. This is a screen printed job that they're sending me. This one talks about peeling off after 1 wash, not as advertised, but this is a white print. They said that our colors were off, definitely fake. This one also single wash, peeling off, colors were off, but it's a black print. This one peeling off, colors were off. This was a legit one, Maria. I helped you last week. Thank you for that. Another one peeling off, colors were off. Guys, I don't understand these feedback and why they're helping. I hope it's another competitor in this market. There is plenty of business out there. This is not the way to handle by bashing somebody with fake reviews I really don't understand why this is happening. I'm completely out of options. I really need you guys' help to help us out with feedbacks and to let us know if there's anything that we should be doing to fix this issue. I just am out of words. I don't know what else to do but to plead with you guys to see if you guys can help us out. That's all I can do. I hope that we're able to get some help, and I'll go ahead and start making some content with you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one, guys.